the shit. I stay talking reckless, but back on my shit. I am not changing, so jump off my dick. Y'all bitches stay thirsty, sweating my man. Talk to me nice or talk with your hands. Niggas look at my rap shit.
Or send that motherfucking bitch straight to Donovan. I put them hoes up inside my fucking dollar van.
Yeah.
I don't give a fuck, I don't need no rubber bands. I don't give a fuck with about OnlyFans. I don't give a fuck about no digital sugar daddy pimping. You know what it is, I be walking by, I be limping. I don't give a fuck, my ship sailing, it ain't sinking. You don't give a fuck, nigga, I gave her some shit, now she ain't blinking. What the fuck you thinking? Hold up, my nigga, yeah, you know this is tripping. You had to rewind that shit cause it don't lippin'. I don't give a fuck cause we always bustin' licks. And we don't give a fuck, yeah, like crackers on quicks. Them niggas know what it is, yeah, we bustin' all these flicks. We getting cents, dollars off of the rip. I don't give a fuck, yeah, making all these pornos. I don't give a fuck cause y'all niggas showing pornos. Fuck that shit, nigga.
They stay on call, they down for whatever, they down for it all. They coming and running and ducking and hiding and striving, crying, providing, lying and slightly surviving.
Oh, when it comes to love, nigga, we in a Biden. Fall asleep like Biden. I don't give a fuck, nigga, you know that you riding. Yeah, hold up.
You call me your bitch, my attitude's nasty, I know I'm the shit. I stay talking reckless, but back off my shit. I am not changing, so jump off my dick.
Hey, jump off her dick.
Yo, listen, just so y'all know, when this is back to this shit, this is the beginning.
Yeah.
You heard?
That shit is lit.